Hello everyone, myself Falguni Solanki. Welcome to our channel. Today we are here to discuss next topic of direct indirect speech. In previous one we discussed basic rules while we convert direct speech into indirect. Second one assertive sentences, and in this third one we have interrogative sentence. We can also say question sentence or inquired question. We have two type of interrogative word. First one, it start with to be form or auxiliary verbs like do, does, did, have, has, had, will, can, shall, could, may, etc. because we have many like might, should, would. So all these words include as to be form or auxiliary verbs. As we know, we can also ask question using this word as a question word in our interrogative sentences. As an example, Sia said to Damini, may I help you? So here this sentence is interrogative sentence and our question asked using may. So when we have sentence like this and it's time to convert into indirect, our answer will be like this. Sia said to. Now this said to convert into ask. Okay, because we are asking question. Speaker remain speaker, listener remain listener, no change. Now we have to remove this comma and inverted comma. Instead of it we have to use if or whether. We have optional, you can use any. If you have think that this one is longer, then you can go with if. It's easier one. Now first thing that when we convert the sentence into indirect, we have to follow some rule. And rule number 1 is that we have to convert this interrogative sentence into assertive sentence, and again simple sentence. So may I convert into assertive. So like this, I may help you. Now time to convert into indirect narration. So this I used for Sia, and Sia is a girl. So I convert into she. May convert into might. Help remain help. And you yani ki it's for listener, and here listener is Damini. So you use for Damini, that's why her. Clear? Main thing is that reporting verb and connector. Otherwise other changes remain as it is as we change in assertive. Type B. In type B we have WH words like who, what, where, why, whose, when, how many, which, etc. So all the WH words include in part or type B. In this one we have sentences of direct indirect with little bit difference. Mr. Buxy said to me, what do you want from me? Mr. Buxy said to me, what do you want from me? Now if we convert this sentence into indirect, the sentence will like this. Mr. Buxy remain as it is. Said to, asked, me. Students, make sure that whenever you use any reporting verb in indirect narration, do not include to. Do not include to. Now me after we have to remove the comma, inverted comma. In place of it we have put here what. Why what? Because whenever we have WH word, there is no need to use connector like if and whether. The WH word itself become our connector. So here what, when, whose, any word is there, it will be our connector. Now you want from me. This sentence we have to convert into indirect. So here you means me, so you convert into I. Want convert into past tense, so wanted. From remain from. Me yani ki this me used for Mr. Buxy, and Mr. Buxy is a male yani ki me convert into him. I, me, my, speaker is male, so he, him, and his. So me convert into him. Next one is note, which should be important for us. If whether is used as a connector in indirect speech when the question is asked from the auxiliary verb in the reported speech, as we discussed in example. But if the sentence in the reported speech starts with WH word, then WH word itself becomes connector. The question sentence becomes assertive sentence and the question mark is removed. Definitely, if when we convert into indirect narration, we have make sure that question mark must be removed. Reporting verb said, said to is used of ask, question, inquired. यानी कि instead of said or said to we have to use question or inquired. You can use anyone. The rest of the rules will be as per the assertive sentence, like pronoun change, tense change, time word change. All the remaining changes remain as it is, as we have done in assertive sentences. So let's start sentences of interrogative. First of all, we'll start our example with type 1. Satish said to Urvashi, "Can you bring my bag?" Satish said to Urvashi, "Can you bring my bag?" So here first thing I have also do underline and put the word in box. Satish is a speaker, Urvashi is a listener. Can you bring my bag? So question mark is that. So said to convert into first of all asked. Instead of comma and inverted comma, we put here if. Now can you bring? Can you bring? First of all, it's remove the question mark and convert into assertive sentence. So can you convert into you can. Now you use for Urvashi and Urvashi is a listener. So you for Urvashi, Urvashi is a girl. So see, can convert into could as auxiliary verb convert into past. So root verb remain as it is. My bag. So my use for Satish and Satish is a speaker and male. So I, me, my, he, him, his. So my convert into his bag. Again, said to convert into ask. You for Urvashi, that's why see. Can convert into could. My convert into his. So Satish asked Urvashi if she could bring his bag. Second one. CV said to Jai, "Do you read for a while?" Question mark. So said to convert into ask. Do you? Question mark. Remove. Sentence become normal one. Now you, it means speak listener and listener is Jai. So you convert into he. Now this is in present form. Do you? It means present answer. Now this one convert into past. So read convert into, doesn't matter, spell remain as it is, but pronouns will till read for a while. So CV asked Jai if he read for a while. Third one is Paulomi said to me, "Did you enjoy the party?" Paulomi said to me, "Did you enjoy the party?" Question mark. यानी कि question sentence is that did यानी कि we have to make sure that while we put the verb did है, so it's coming into had past perfect. So our sentence will like Paulomi asked me if connector I had enjoyed the party. Why? Because did you? So did you, it means simple past tense. Now it converted into past perfect. So had enjoyed the party. Fourth one, Binal said to Sarah, "Will you lend me your dictionary for a day?" First question sentence है from question mark and from question word. We can say that your first pronoun is you. It's used for Sarah and Sarah is a girl. So you convert into C. Now will convert into would. Lend remain lend. Me, it's me for Binal यानी कि speaker. So I, me, my. तो see her, her. तो me convert into her. Your dictionary यानी कि whose dictionary? The listener's dictionary. So you, your. And listener is Sarah. So see her, her. So again this your convert into her dictionary. So now our sentence is Binal asked Sarah if or whether she would lend her dictionary for a day. Again, her. We also seen this type of sentence in assertive 1. So this first her is used for the speaker, pronoun me, and the second her is used for listener, pronoun your. Fifth one, Sela said to me, is this a true answer? Now said to, again question mark है, to be form है, so asked me. If is this convert into this is, so this convert into that is was a true answer. So Sela asked me if that answer was a true, that was a true answer. Sixth one, Hitesh said to me, have you eaten some sweets today? Now Hitesh said to convert into asked me if, have you. So first normal sentence, you means it's for listener and listener is me, so me convert into I. Remember our table, listener is me and your pronoun is you, your. The change will be I, me, my. So you convert into I, have convert into had, eaten remain as it is, some sweets today convert into that day, the change in time word. So Hitesh asked me if I had eaten some sweets that day. Seventh one, Hitika said to Pranjal, didn't your father go to station yesterday? So Hitika said to asked Pranjal if, didn't your father. So your father yani ki Pranjal's father, because she is a listener here. So your father convert into her father didn't, so had not go convert into gone to the hospital the yesterday, the day before. समझ में आ रहा है चेंजेस. यहाँ पे didn't है यानी कि सिंपल पास्ट टेंस है जो कन्वर्ट होकर पास्ट परफेक्ट में जाएगा. सो हर फादर, योर फादर का क्या हुआ, हर फादर, बिकॉज हुज फादर, प्रांजल्स फादर, एंड यू योर यानी कि सी हर, सो हर फादर. Had not, negative sentence, we have to remain the negative as it is. So had not, go convert into gone, and to the stadium the day before. So I think they have pronounced wrong, but here stadium, the day before. Next sentence, my mother asked, are you hungry? So your answer is my mother asked. So no speaker, no listener is there. So my mother asked, are you hungry? So I can consider myself. So you convert into I, are convert into verb change. So was, hungry remain, hungry and question mark removed. So my mother asked if I was hungry. So we discussed here the type 1 type of sentences. Now it's type B, yani ki WH questions. Naresh said to her, where is your book? So Naresh asked her. Okay. Where remain as it is as a connector now. Now your where is not your WH question word, but now where is a connector in indirect narration. Your book yani ki already your listener is her, so her book is converted into was. So Naresh asked her where her book was. समझ में आ रहा है, where यहाँ पे कनेक्टर का काम कर रहा है. अब तो आपका WH वर्ड नहीं है. आपका जो सेंटेंस है is your book convert into your book is. So your book यानी कि her book and is convert into was. 10th one, Mrs. Rathore said to Mrs. Shah, why did you teach English? So Mrs. Rathore asked, you can write students inquired or question Mrs. Shah, why? Do not include if and whether. Why did you? Now you यानी कि Mrs. Shah and Mrs. Shah is a lady, so she did teach, tense change, past perfect, had taught English. एज वी नो लाइक यहाँ पे डीड है, सो रूट वर्ब डीड के साथ ऑलवेज यूज होगा, तो यहाँ पे टॉट नहीं होगा, जब वो पास परफेक्ट में जाएगा तभी यहाँ पे टॉट आएगा. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज दर्स सेड टू मी whose pencil is this. Now theirs said to asked me whose pencil that was. This converted into that and is converted into was. यानी कि जो इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस हमको उसको असर्टिव सेंटेंस में भी कन्वर्ट करना है, वो भी ध्यान में रखना. She said to him, how many books have you bought from the bookshop? So she said to asked. She asked him how many. Now how many is our connector. Books. Have you. Now have you. You यानी कि him. So already यहाँ पे मेल है, इंडिकेशन दिया हुआ है. So you convert into he, have, had, bought from the book shop. So important thing that we have to focus that change of pronoun and change of tense. Yasmini said to Ritu, when will you visit museum? So Yasmini asked Ritu, when, now connector, will you visit museum? So will you यानी कि Ritu यानी कि girl. So यहाँ पे C, will convert into would, visit remain visit, museum but question mark remove. If you write the correct sentence and you put that question mark as it is, then definitely your marks will be cut. So remove the question mark when you convert into indirect narration. 14th one, he said to them, why did you not call me yesterday? So he asked them why they had not called him the previous day. Said first, asked, why, now connector. Did you यानी कि them, यहाँ पे more than one person है, so according to them यहाँ पे you के इंस्टेड पे क्या आएगा, they. Tense change, so did convert into had, not remain not, call convert into called because it's past perfect tense. Yesterday, me यानी कि who, the speaker, and speaker is he, so यहाँ पे आएगा him. Yesterday, the previous day, the day before, you can use any from to. 15th one, Malini asked to Khushi, what do you buy for me from your first salary? So यहाँ पे already asked to दिया हुआ है, हम लोग उसको said में convert नहीं करना है, वही रखना है. Malini asked Khushi, what? Connector, do you buy? So you means Khushi and Khushi is a girl, so see. Buy convert into bought because tense change. For me यानी कि again Malini is a girl, that's why her. From your salary, so this your is for Khushi and Khushi is also girl, so यहाँ पे her first salary. So the sentence is Malini asked Khushi what she bought for her from her first salary. So here we discussed 15 sentences of indirect narration. I hope you are clear with the type of sentences, especially interrogative one, and what is difference in interrogative and assertive sentence. Now let's see the self-practice sentences for you. First sentence is the mullah said to the fruitman. The mullah said to the fruitman, have I bought watermelon from you? Now change in reporting verb. Your question mark remove. Convert this sentence into assertive one. Have I converted into I have. And I use for mullah is a male, and you use for listener as a fruitman. So fruitman, it means is male also. So go with your indirect narration. Second one is Vibha said to Joseph, why are you laughing? So your speaker, your listener, here this pronoun used for your listener. Third one, the teacher said to her, what is your mother's name? So what is your mother's name? So your for her. तुमको pronoun identify करना होगा, which pronoun used for whom. Like if you have pronoun like I, me, my, as I told you many times before, it's for speaker, you for listener, and he, she, it or they already in direct sentence, then it's about third person, so no change in pronoun of third person. Fourth one, Kinjal said to me, how are you? And mother said to Abhay, what a noble deed you have done. Sixth one, Kinnari said to him, did you invite Kosha last week? Whenever you have a listener or speaker and specification about the him or her, I think that time no confusion. It's easier for you to choose right pronoun. Seventh one, Athak said to Arya, where will you study the next year? And eighth one, Sarvatra said to Rudransi, shall I join your group? Students, this is the end of your interrogative sentences. You have 8 sentences for your practice. If you have doubt, then go with our previous videos, clear your doubt, try to get the answer of these sentences. We will meet you soon with new topic in direct indirect speech, and there will be we discuss more. Next topic is exclamatory sentences. Keep watching our channel. Like us. Thank you.